Looks scary. I hope it does. Ugh. I don't know. Welcome to Super Styles, all things beauty. You guys, this time I have a treat for you. I tried the Just for Men mustache and beard, more like eyebrows. Less than $10. We're going to get these brows snatched. If you think these brows look good, stay tuned. But before then, please like, subscribe, click on that notification bell, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see this extremely terrifying moment of my life. I'm sure you can tell by the title of this that I will be tinting my brows using the Just for Men mustache and beard color. This is going to be in dark brown. I'm not scared, terrified. Just a little bit. I spend a lot of time doing my brows every single morning or whenever I'm getting ready, and I've mentioned this before. I don't mind it because I like to change the shape of my brows often, and that's one of the main reasons why I'm not getting the microblading. But at the same time, I've found that I've used products where it's like you can leave on for like 2 days and whatnot, and it makes my makeup routine so much faster. So I was like, you know what? Let me try this. I'm gonna attempt this for the first time ever. Kind of scared, kind of like nervous. My brows, as you can tell, it's a nice shape. I've already plucked them out. This is pretty much the shape it is before I pencil it in or use a pomade or use a shadow, whatever it is that I go in with. But yeah, we're gonna start off with concealing the sides. I know some YouTube channels that I watched, they were using either Vaseline or would use a concealer. So I'm just gonna go in with the concealer only because the parts that I'm gonna be doing, the brows, I'm literally gonna be doing how I would typically do my brows. So I don't feel like I'm gonna go too crazy. Like, I don't know, you guys. Let me show you what's in here since I haven't even opened it yet. So it comes with gloves, which I won't need, instructions, comes with this thingy, and then it comes with, you guys, I just realized I haven't even read anything yet. I don't know. It comes with the brush. Obviously this is for men, but we're not doing anything that has to do with that. This is what you would use for the mustache, but I'm going to be using this side to pretty much just mix the two products, which is the color base and the color developer. And it says to put just like a dot here and here, and then there's just mix the two until you get some sort of formula. Anyway, so just for men, but this time it's going to be just for brows. Let's get going. Okay, so I'm gonna clip my hair back just so it doesn't get in the way. And start with the concealer. So I'm gonna use just a flat brush and the concealer. I'm gonna grab a dot just on the back of my hand. This is the Dose of Colors. And this is pretty much to avoid the product from going onto this area, which, like I said, I'm gonna be applying this how I would apply my brow products anyway, so I'm hoping I wouldn't have much of an issue. That looks kind of weird. I think that's a shape I would be okay with. I know the packaging says 5 minutes, but from all the rest of the videos that I've seen, everybody says that 5 minutes isn't enough for you to get the color on the brows. I think I'm ready to go. So I'm going to be mixing on here. Not scared at all. I'm actually terrified. I'm going to put a dot right there. No, a little bit more. So it says to do equal parts. The good thing about this is, you guys, I know I said it's like less than $10, but you can reuse this over and over and over again. So that's the amazing part. And equal parts, so like that. And then I'm just gonna mix this in the tray. You guys, nobody at home knows I'm doing this, so once they see me like with different brows, I'm hoping it's not so dramatic that it's not visible. I just want to make my morning routine, my makeup routine, a little bit faster because I have the brows, they're in sparse areas, and I think this is mixed enough. Yeah, hang on. I said hang on as if you guys are bothering me. I'm so like silent and nervous. I'm thinking about this as I'm doing it. Okay. I'm gonna pick up. So I'm gonna start with the ends because that's usually how I start anyway. When I do my brow product, I start towards the end. You guys, I'm scared. And then I go into the front. So I'm gonna do the ends first anyway, and then I'll do the front, and then I'll also erase the front a lot. Oh, this is tricky because you can't see where it's going. Like I can feel it, but I can't see it. Ooh, this is scary. It would help if I could see the color and see where it's actually going. Because, you know, obviously when you're applying brow products, you can see where you've left off or where you've had color. Wow, okay, I can totally see this product going like a very long way because just the parts that are on here is plenty. I don't want it to be uneven. I don't want it to be like a weird shape I'm not gonna like. I don't want it to be too thick. Okay, I wonder if I can go in with my concealer. I can. Okay, I'm gonna do the front. Should I? Am I spending too much time on one eye? I don't know. Okay. Okay. I'm holding my breath. I'm gonna do the other side. I do have like a mark right here from when I had chicken pox when I was a tiny little thing. I think I was like 1 or 2 years old. But I do have a mark there, so I'm going to be filling it in there a little bit extra. Wow, nope, 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 nope. This looks too dark in the front. Panic. Okay, I do know some people did this like one at a time, and now that I think about it, I probably would do that next time because now this is like developing, and this one obviously I just started, so I hope I don't have uneven brows. That looks really, really dark. Like really, really, really dark. Okay, now that looks from the side. No, honey. No. Nobody's gonna like this. There we go. Much better. That scared me. Okay, I'm gonna go grab something so I can wipe off the front of this real quick. Because look at this. This looks scary. Ah! I hope it does. Ugh. I don't know. Does it look dark in there? Okay, I should go. This is the part that got on my hand. Maybe I should wipe that off too. I'll be right back. So I just got cotton and I wet it, and I'm going to wipe off that front part. Okay, I want to say it's been like 5 to 7 minutes, and if it hasn't, They say you can redo it, so yes, you can redo it. I haven't timed it. I know I should have been timing it. I'm just staring at it. Maybe I should wait? No? Yes? Let me just... I know the front is like as dark as I kind of wanted it to be. Like, I don't want it to be darker than that. I'm actually impressed. Kind of. Let me wipe off the rest of this one, because I did this one first. Has the shape I wanted. OMG. Hang on, let me see if this is gonna wipe off. If so, I'm gonna do another round. So this is what I pretty much want to be able to do. Like, just brush my brows, put on like a brow gel or something, and call it a day without having to fill it in like crazy. So I think I'm gonna go in this one a little bit more, because you can tell like it's nice and the shape is there that I wanted, but it's not as dark as I wanted. So I'm gonna go into this one a little bit more. Let me go in to this a second time. And now that the area I've already done it, the shape is there and it's darker, I'm just gonna go in there. Okay, I know I was nervous. It's actually fun. Okay, I think these other brows are good to go. Gonna wipe that off. You know what? I think it's a better process to do 2 rounds instead of do one full 10 minutes, because I find that this was probably on about 10 minutes and it's still not as dark as I would want it to be. See how it's pretty, but there's areas. So I'll go in a second time on that brow as well. But you can definitely tell it's darker than what my brows were before the tinting. Okay, I feel like this side needs to go off, because I don't need that to be so much darker. Okay, do you see this? I feel like I want it to be a little bit darker right here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is round 3, but it's because I don't have hair here, so it's pretty much just trying to stick to my skin, I guess, and the tiny little hairs that I do have. And take off the front part of this. I think at this point I've realized that it doesn't stick too much to my brows, so I don't mind leaving it on for a little bit longer than the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. So I guess it is trial and error, because I know some of the videos that I watched, some people did 5, some people did 10, some have done 20. I know this one I'm on my 3rd round, so 5-10 minutes or so, and then this one is my 2nd round. I'm just gonna wipe off the front part, because obviously I like more of that gradient look rather than the harsh, like, boxed up brow look. And this is obviously gonna fade, but I wouldn't mind doing this, let's say, once a week or once every 2 weeks. So it's dried up again. I think I'm going to be wiping these off. The shape looks like it's really pretty. I think I'm gonna like it. I just hope that it stays and it's not like blotchy. Let's go. Yes? Okay. Much, much better. Oh my goodness, I love it now. And this, filling this in will take me like 2 seconds. Okay, just gonna make sure everything's completely off. Nothing else is coming off. And try the back end. Nope, nothing. Okay, hang on. Oh my goodness, that looks perfect. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's do the other side because this one, I feel like I like this shape more, which is funny because naturally this one has a nicer shape. Every time I like end up filling it in, this brow ends up looking nicer. So, oh no. Oh, see, that area didn't stay, but very pretty. Make sure everything comes off. Opposite side, make sure everything is off. It is, nothing else is coming off on that. I like it. I actually like it. Wow. Tell me I did well. I mean, seriously. Here. I did well. Okay, so here it is. I just did my concealer underneath the brows and I just filled in a tiny little bit, but that's it. I actually absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this look. Let me know if you've already tried this look. Let me know if you have any better techniques. But yeah, here are the brows and my hair sticking up. Here we go. Also, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know again down below if you guys have tried this or what you guys want me to try next. Clearly, I'm down to trying new things. I love it. See you guys next time.